All right, creepy basement time. This is one of those moments where you don't overthink it. You just go down, do the thing, and come back up. When energy is low, I try to keep laundry simple. Smaller loads are easier to finish, and finishing matters more than doing a lot.
Little less living.
Cleaning the lint trap takes a few seconds, but it keeps things running better, and that helps future me. This video is really about cleaning on low energy days, not pushing through, not doing everything, just choosing tasks that don't make you more tired than when you started. If you're already worn out today, you're in the right place. Folding dishcloths, face cloths, and towels is one of my go to tired day tasks. It's simple, repetitive, and easy to do sitting down. I don't rush this, and I don't worry about perfection. I just focus on one piece at a time. There's something about finishing a small task completely that feels grounding, especially on days when everything else feels like too much. And I'm curious, when your energy is low, do you still try to do small tasks like this? Or do you usually wait for a better day? I try to choose tasks like this on tired days, things that don't ask too much of my body. This kind of progress is quiet, but it still counts. Putting things away right after folding saves energy later. It keeps clean laundry from turning into another pile you have to think about. I move slowly here, no rushing, no unnecessary bending, just steady movement. Low energy cleaning works best when you don't make it harder than it needs to be. Once the folding is done, I move on to another simple reset, wiping down the coffee table. This isn't a deep clean, it's just enough to make the space feel calmer. Sometimes that's all we need. I didn't plan to clean the base at first, but once I noticed the spots, it felt worth taking a few extra minutes. This is where listening to your body matters. If you have the energy, you continue. If not, you stop, and both are okay. Seeing it shine again feels good. Not because it's perfect, but because it was done gently. Cleaning things like this always takes longer than I think it will, especially when there are a lot of little corners and edges. This table base looks simple, but it's not. Once you start, you kind of realize how many spots there actually are. I don't mind this kind of cleaning though, it's repetitive and I don't have to think too hard. I can just focus on what's in front of me. Lately, that's been nice. The weather's been really bad here. We've had so much snow that the buses have been canceled for my son's school. So he's been home. Everything just feels a little slower when that happens. Schedules change, routines are off, and it kind of adds to that tired feeling. I think that's why I'm moving so slowly today. I'm not in a rush to get to the next thing. Some days, cleaning is the only quiet time I get to think through stuff. Nothing big, just little thoughts. Like what needs to be done later, or what can wait, or what honestly doesn't matter that much. I used to feel like I had to clean everything in one go. Now, I just clean until it feels like enough. This part here, the base, it's not something anyone else would probably notice right away, but I notice it. And sometimes that's reason enough. I'm trying to be better about not rushing through things just to say they're done. If it takes a few extra minutes, that's okay. I'm already here. This is the kind of task I save for days when I don't have the energy for anything loud or intense. Just quiet work, one section at a time. And honestly, this is probably as productive as today needs to be. If today all you can manage is one small task, that still counts. Cleaning doesn't have to be intense to be meaningful. Thanks for spending this time with me.